Hey guys, now we're gonna see if else condition. So if else is pretty common in every language you should learn, and it's basically very easy. Just stay with me. So if only runs when conditions become true. Okay, just keep in this mind. If, let me put in double quotes, only runs when condition becomes true. When condition will be true, then only it will run. So how? So you write if in small letters, no need to write big, it is an error. Just make if in small. Then you put a bracket like this, and whatever condition you want to put it here. So suppose I'm saying true. Okay, you can give true, false, and a lot of other things, but basically it should be a true or false. I'll tell you slowly and slowly. So if true, if something is true, then only run. So what I have told, if only runs when condition becomes true. So I say if true, I have already given true. Now here I say console.log if came inside if condition, came inside if condition. Okay, you just write in front of that. Okay, save it. See, came inside if condition. Let me just console.log before if, and just copy this, paste it, and here I'll say after if. See, before if came inside if condition, console.log after if. But suppose it becomes false. False. See, before if came here false. Okay, the condition is false, we won't run this, and it will come here after if. You can see simply, if it's true, then run. If not, then don't run. So now here I will say yeah, now suppose I want some before, like suppose variable age equals to null. Okay, so here I will say if true, make the age to be 24. Okay, and here I will just print the age. Okay, normal, age is null. Before if true, make age 24, then after if and print the age. Save it. I got before if, after if 24. Okay, that's correct. Before if, after if 24. But if I make it false, see, null here also, because your age is, maybe the condition is false, it can't set the age. Okay, now suppose I make it true only. I want to write two lines of condition. I want to age also and want to console.log also, but here I can just do any one thing in this line. So for that, if you have more than one line, you can just put this curly braces like this. So this whole will be covered in if condition, whole curly braces. You can put for one line also, but not required. But if you have more than one line, you can put these curly braces. Now here I can just say console.log inside if condition. Let me just make the spelling correct. See, if true, inside if condition, putting the age 24, and if false, age is null, and that is this. Okay, now we'll see other stuff also. Suppose you put give here numbers. Okay, so number will, suppose you give 0 is always equal to false. Okay, other numbers are true. So let me show you. So if you give 0, so 0 in 99.99% language, 0 is false, and other than that any other number is true. Normally 1 is true, 0 is false. Okay, if 0, console.log checking number condition. Okay, that's it. See, nothing printed. Why? Because 0 is false. As soon as I copy and paste, and here I give just suppose 1. See, checking number condition printed. Okay, why? Because 1 is true. It's not just with the 1, other numbers are true. Any number you give, if you give 5, true, it will print 7. See, above also if I give any number, it's printed. If I give 0.5, then also printing. Other than 0, suppose if I give -1, see, then also printing. Any number other than 0, it will always be true. Okay, and what about strings? Strings are always true. So if you have a string, it will always be true. If I say if any string, this is any string, console.log string is true. See, string is true. If you just make it a null string like empty, then it will be nothing because the string is empty. If you have anything inside that, it will be true. Then suppose you have arrays are true, objects are also true. So suppose if I put an array, console.log array is true. See, array is true. Whether you have empty array or not, it will always be true. You can put numbers also, like comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. It will be true. Object, console.log objects are also true. See, object also true. Empty object, no matter, it will always be true. So 0 is false. Other than that, any number, strings apart from empty string, arrays, object, all are true. You see, if condition is true, print do this. But what if condition is not true? So we'll say else runs only when if is not true. So suppose I say, now here I will else. Okay, if true, suppose I write false. Okay, console.log it's a true condition. Okay, and here I can take a variable also. I'll say variable condition equals to false. Okay, I'll just place directly the variable. Okay, else console.log it's a false. See, now what's happening? I say false, it came here, said okay, this condition can't be true because it's a false. So what I have said here, else runs only when if is not true. So I say else, just do this. If is not true, just say it's a false. If I make it true, it's a true condition. See, condition. Other than it's a false condition. But guys, here also you can just do a lot of stuff, like you can just put here like this, like else if. Okay, now suppose you have multiple if condition, nested if else, nested if else. Now suppose you have a age that is equals to 5. Okay, so firstly I'll check if age, then I'll say, I'll put a curly braces, that will be easy. Console.log you are a person, because this person has a age. Then if I say else, suppose someone is going to bar, maybe someone is going to bar. I just write someone is going to bar, someone is going to bar. Okay, else I want to again check age is 5. Okay, person is real, but the person is greater than 18 or not. So I say else again, if age is greater than 18, then I'll say if age is greater than 18, I'll say you can drink. Otherwise, else I say you are too small. I know it's making a little confusing. I'll just explain again. See, I say age 5. I say if age is 5, print you are a person. So it's printed you are a person. Okay. Then again check if age is greater than 18. Age is not greater than 18. Age is smaller. Then it will say you can drink, but age is smaller. It will print else. If this condition is false, print else you are too small. But you are too small is not being printed, guys, because I have to put this else inside one parenthesis here. Oh, not like this. Else, now again, if age is greater than 18, do this, otherwise you are too small. Okay, yeah guys, everything is right. It's just that if age is 5, you are a person, it's not going inside this condition. Okay, so we have to make, suppose if age, if not age. Okay, suppose if age is if age is greater than, if age is less than 0. Okay, suppose less than 0. Now it's like in, it's a false, you are too small. So how it's working? Age is less than 0, it will come to else. Age is greater than 18, console.log you can drink, you are too small. Now we'll see another thing. Okay, like other conditions. I say if, like two things I have to check. If like suppose I say money equals true, a person has a money, and age 18. Okay, I'll check if a person has a money and person age is greater than equals to 18, then only let the person come in. So you can do two conditions or 3, 4. You can put a lot of and see come in. You can only come in. Suppose if smaller, you can't. If false, you don't have a money, then also you can't. You should have both. Okay, you should have money also, and your age should be 18 also, more than 18. And suppose the condition is either one of the thing will do the work. So we can say this bigger this. I say if you have a money or your age is greater than 18, then you can come in. So if I say, suppose this condition false, the person doesn't have a money, but still here age is greater than 18, he can come in. See, come in, because this condition is not running by default. I can say come in or condition. Okay, condition, come in and condition. See, come in or condition. So money is false, but the age is greater than 18. If age is also not greater than 18, then he can't come in anywhere. Okay, but both are true, then both the condition will become true. Here also both are true. Here any one needed, so one is true. This or either this. See, both in and or. So this was all about if else condition in JavaScript.